Hi students, welcome to Math Online Tutor. Now I am going to discussing an important concept of mathematics, that is a function and different type of function. First one is one or injective function. A second is onto or surjective function. Then last one is bijective function. Okay, a relation f from a set x to a set y is said to be a function if every elements of x has one and only one image in y. Okay, this is the definition of function. A relation f from a set x to a set y is said to be a function if every elements of x has, this is a very important, every elements of x has one and only one image in y. Okay, in y. So we can consider these two sets like this. Suppose you can draw arrow diagram. This suppose set x, okay, then this set to y, okay, set to x and set to y. Then elements we can take here what, a, b, c, d. Okay, here we can take the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we can take what, the image of this elements. Okay, so set x, every elements what has one and only one image. So image of 1 can do like this 1, then image of b 2, the image of c 4, the image of d, and we have to map the 4. So all the elements of set x have one and only one image in y. Okay, so this is a function. Suppose we can take the like this d map to or image of t again what, 5. So here what, this element what has what, 2 image. So this we can't consider what, this relation of function. So we can undo that one. So now this one what, function. That means every element of x has one and only one image. This type of what relation we call what the function. Okay, then what's the, here we can the mapping, here we can check what the mapping a, what image of a equal to what, 1. So we can write that f of a equal to 1, then image of b equal to what, 2. So we can represent f of b, image of b equal to 2. Then image of c, f of c what, f of c is equal to 4. Then image of d equal to again 4. Okay, clear. Then this first set x we call what, domain of x we call what, domain of the function f. What that set elements, what the sets of elements a, b, c, d. Okay, the second set y we called what, codomain of the function f. What is that one? This one, what, the elements of y is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this set, then the images of the set, images of, what is the images of, that means 1 2 3 4, the images of we denote by that f of x, that is image of a b c d, that is f of x, we call what, range set, range of the function f. What is that one? That one 1 2 4, 1 2 4. In a set we only consider what, repetition not allowed, so we consider only 4. Okay, so this is what, our function. Okay, and now consider the another example from day-to-day life. Suppose we can take the relation between the child and the mother. So we can take two sets like this. Suppose this is set, we can name A, then we can take this set, take what, B. So here first set with the children. Okay, children, we can C1 is a first child, C2 is a second child, C3 is a third child. Then next one is what, this set of a mother, M1, okay, M2, then M3. Okay, then we can take the relation. We know that what the in the first all the set what, only one image. So the child, we know that in the real life for each child is only one. Okay, only one mother. Okay, C1 map to M1, C2 map to M2, C3 map to M3. So this becomes what, this becomes a function. Okay, it's a function, clear. Then we can take what, the reverse of this one. Suppose we can take a B here like this, B, first we take the B, okay, B, then next one what, this becomes what, C, okay, C or A, like this. So here this one what, set of mothers M1, M2, M3, okay, then here child what, C1, C2, C3 and C4, again then C5. Okay, then we can take what, the mapping. So mother 1, one child, okay, mother 2 is a mapping to child C2. Also the mother can what, more than one child, so C3, and mother M3 is mapping to what, C4. Okay, so here in this case what, the second element here we can write this M2, this mother have what, as what, 2 child. So this we can't consider this one what, in not function, but this becomes what, it's a function. Okay, next one is a injective function. So what is the definition? An injective function, injective or 1 1 function f from x to y, okay, is a function that maps distinct elements of x to distinct elements of y. Okay, so distinct elements of x to distinct elements of y, that image or a map. Okay, so we can consider the two set like this. Suppose here this is set x, okay, then this what, set y, okay, here is a mapping, okay, then you can take what elements 1 2 3 4. Here we can take A B C D E. Okay, then we can take the mapping distinct element or distinct image. So first element image is what A, second 2 image B, 3 image C, 4 image E. So here distinct elements have what distinct image. Okay, suppose we can take what one more element 5. Okay, one more element 5. Okay, the image of this one becomes what E. So now you consider what this function. So here 4 and 5 are the same image E. So this is not what 1 1 function. That means distinct element, distinct image. But here this two element 4 and 5 are same image. So this we can't consider what 1 1 function. Okay, so we can undo that one. Clear? So here this is what 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 function. Clear? Then previous example here, this one here, this is a 1 1 function, distinct element and distinct image. So suppose here about C and D are the same image what 4. So this what not what 1 1 function. Okay, this not 1 1 function, this is only function. Clear? Okay, then come to this. Okay, here, so how to show this what function is what 1 1. So for that one here one for you can take for every elements but x1 comma x2 belongs to x if x1 not equal to x2, this implies what f of x1 not equal to f of x2, then what, therefore what, f is 1 1 function. Okay, this way you have to show. So for example we can take from here, suppose here we can take what, this is suppose x1, this what x2. So this x1 and x2 what not equal, that x1 is equal to 1, x2 equal to 2. Okay, then this f of x1 what, this f of x1 is b, here f of x2 is what, sorry, f of x1 is a, f of x2 is what, b. Okay, therefore here x1 not equal to x2, then f of x1 not equal to x2. Okay, so here what, in this case this distinct element have distinct image, so therefore this what becomes is a function. Okay, or we can write another method, another way we can show this one. For every x1 x2 belongs to x, that means belongs to domain. Okay, then f of x1 equal to f of x2, okay, implies x1 equal to x2, therefore f is what, f is 1 1. This method also you can use. For example, suppose here same example we can take this here, suppose here is a 5. Okay, the 5 is mapped to what, C. Clear? So here listen, this here suppose we can take x1, here x1 equal to what, 4, x2 equal to 5, then f of x1 equal to what, E. Then f of x2 equal to what? Again E. In this case, f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay. This implies if x1 also equal to x2, therefore what? F is 1 1. But here listen, in this case, this 4 and 5 are same image. Okay, but 4 and 5 are different. If these two are coincide, this becomes what? Only one map. Okay, if x1 equal to x2, these two are equal to only one image, then only this becomes what 1 1. Okay, clear? This two method we can use, either this or this one. How you show the 1 1 function. Okay, so next is a surjective function. A function from x to y is said to be surjective or onto if every elements of y there is at least one element mapping with x. Okay, this is a definition of surjective or onto function. What? A function f from x to y is said to be surjective or onto if every element of y there is at least one element mapping with x. So we can consider one example like this. Okay, so this, suppose this as set x. Okay, then suppose this is set to y. Clear? Then you can take the elements of x. Suppose we can write p, q, r, s. Okay, then elements of y you can take a, b, then c. Okay, then mapping of this x to y, that is image of p, suppose a, then image of q, b, the image of r is c, then mapping of s against c. Okay, so here every element of a, every element of set to y, that's a codomain, is a pre-image or a mapping pre-image in x. Okay, so this we call what? This function we call what? Onto or surjective function. Onto function or surjective function. Clear? Suppose if you take here a one element d, suppose we can take the element a, b, c, d, then we can take any map. Suppose here can take any map like this. So p and r. So here in this case, here p as a two image a and d. So this is not a function also. So we can't take any element d here. So we can undo that one. Okay, so all the elements of y is a pre-image in x, then that mapping we call what? Surjective or onto function. We can consider the previous example. Suppose this, in this case here the set in a set to y is this set d. Here d, this check the d. Okay, this d, here d, no pre-image in x. So this what? Not, therefore this not onto function. Okay, then the first example, in the first example we can check this in the elements of y here 3 and 5 but has no pre-image in x. Okay, clear? So this also what, not onto function. Okay, onto function. Clear? So next one, how to show the one function is surjective. How to show this one function is surjective? For that one, for every y belongs to codomain, then there exists an element that x belongs to capital X such that f of x equal to what, y. Okay, f of x equal to y, therefore f is what, onto. This way we have to show. Okay, clear? For example, suppose you can take that here a, so a belongs to what, y. Then we can choose an element p belongs to x such that what, f of p equal to what, a. Then again you can consider the b is an element of codomain y. Then there exists, this is a symbol of exist, then there exists what, q belongs to x such that f of q equal to b. Again you can take, there exists s, an element of codomain y, then there exists a what, yes, c can belongs to y, then there exists what s belongs to x such that f of s equal to what, c. This way you can prove this one, show this one. Okay, then here listen, what is the range of f? Here range set is what, range set is a mapping elements a b c. Okay, set a b c, this is equal to what, entire set y, and this set y is called what, codomain. Okay, so the range set means what, a mapping of x that we can call what, f of capital X is what, the range set is equal to what, y, that is equal to what, codomain. Okay, codomain. So the f of x equal to y or a codomain, therefore f is what, onto also. These two way you can use, either the what, if you can use this one, you can show the given function is surjective, or we can use, you can show what, f of x equal to y, that is a codomain, then also what, f is onto. Okay, clear? Then last one is what, a bijective function. So a function f from x to y is said to be bijective function if f is both what, injective or 1 1 and surjective or onto functions. Okay, so a function bijective, a function f is said to be bijective if f is both injective and surjective function, then that we call what? Bijective function. Okay, for example, we can take what? An element like this, x. Okay, here we can take y. Okay, the elements of x are a, b, c, d. Then elements of y, what you can take? What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can take what? The mapping. Okay, mapping of 1 you can take, or mapping of a we can take 4. Then b is 3. Then c 1. Then mapping of our image of d if 2. Okay, so here listen, here we can listen. So or every element of x is a distinct, or distinct elements of x have distinct image in y. Therefore this one what? Therefore each element is only one mapping. Therefore this one what? Injective function. Okay, so you can write 1 1, this first 1 1 function. Okay, then here listen, all the elements of y have pre-image in x, pre-image in x. Therefore this also what? Onto also. Okay, therefore this function, this mapping we call what? Bijective. Bijective function. Clear? Okay, in the previous example we can check this part here. This is bijective function. Here listen, the r and s what? Same element, same mapping c. Okay, so here this not what? 1 1 function. So this not what? Bijective. Then here, then the second example, in this case what? This is a what? 1 1 function, but not onto function. Okay, so this also not bijective function. Okay, in these figures, okay, in these figures, then the first figure you can check this part, this is a function or not. Here listen, in this element c is what? 2 image 1 and 4. Okay, also d has no image. So in this case this figure what? Not a function. Okay, in this case this not function. Okay, first figure. Then second figure you consider this, all the elements have what? 1 image. Okay, so this is a function. This second figure is a function. Okay, and third figure, distinct elements of x have distinct image. There's a image of a equal to 3, image of b 1, image of c 4, image of d 2. So all distinct elements are distinct image. So this what? Injective or 1 1 function, this one. Okay, then here in this fourth case, here listen, every element of y have a pre-image. Okay, therefore this one what? Surjective function. Okay, surjective function, surjective or onto function. Okay, this one. And the last one, fifth one, every element of x, the distinct element of x is a distinct image. A image of a3, image of b4, image of c what? 2, image of d what? 1. So this what? 1 1 or a injective function, and every element of y has a pre-image in x also. So this one what? 1 1 function also, onto function, both 1 1 and onto. So this one what? Bijective function. Okay.